Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Knwigoe 10-ton heat press machine, 900 watt. Highlight features or overview summary are include: outstanding heating performance. Thickened aluminum upper and lower heating plates, 2.4 x 4.7, with a power of 900 watt provide stable performance. And the temperature of the circuit machine can quickly rise to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for even and fast heating. High safety. High temperature resistant wiring, short circuit protection, overvoltage protection, and overtemperature protection ensure the safety of using the mini heat press machine. In addition, the heat sink design provides good heat dissipation performance, preventing the machine from overheating and causing burns. The 10 tons manual hydraulic jack applies high pressure to the plate, which increases the efficiency of the heat press and helps achieve high pressure pumping. Sturdy and durable, the dab press adopts plastic spraying treatment of iron shell and high-quality aluminum heating plate, long service life, good anti-rust performance, and easy to clean. Thoughtful design. Timer button for easy operation and an automatic warning sound when the program is complete. The pressure relief regulator and pressure gauge, 0 to 5700 psi, also make you safer to use. In addition, the compact size of this heat press, 17.32 x 5.12 x 22.44 inches, saves space in any shop or home. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.